2026 Audi A7 is a stunning blend of luxury, technology, and performance. From the moment you see it, its sleek fastback design stands out. Sporty, like a coupe, but practical as a sedan. Every curve and line feels purposeful, giving it a presence that's understated yet confident. Step inside, and the cabin impresses immediately. Premium materials, soft-touch leathers, and customizable ambient lighting create a luxurious feel, while the seats are supportive and even offer massage options. The dual touchscreen setup makes everything intuitive: navigation, media, climate control, while Audi's fully digital virtual cockpit puts all key info right in front of you. Under the hood, the standard turbo V6 delivers around 335 horsepower, with smooth, responsive acceleration, and quattro all-wheel drive ensures excellent grip in all conditions. The adaptive suspension balances comfort with sportiness, so you feel planted around corners, but cushioned on long drives. For extra thrill and efficiency, there's a mild hybrid option as well. The A7 is packed with technology. Advanced driver assistance like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and traffic jam assist make driving safer and easier. The Matrix LED headlights intelligently light the road without blinding others, while the hatchback trunk offers surprising practicality for a luxury sedan. Connectivity is seamless with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and optional Wi-Fi. Visually, it's stunning. The wide grille, sharp LED headlights, and sleek side profile make it look fast even when standing still. The rear LED light strip ties the design together, and small touches like flush door handles show Audi's attention to detail. In short, the 2026 Audi A7 delivers luxury, tech, and performance in one complete package. It's stylish, practical, and thrilling to drive a sedan that proves you don't have to compromise. If you want a car that impresses inside and out, the A7 is a top choice in its class.